36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Write the numbers.
We can travel in the air with the help of these vehicles. Aeroplane. Hot air balloon. Jet plane. Rocket. Helicopter. Circle all the vehicles with which is used for air transport. Sound T, rhyme. T for tiger. T for tap, T for turtle taking a nap. T for table. T for 10, let's say T again and again. T, sound words. Tiger. Turtle. Tractor. Table. Tree. Train. Tomato. Tent. The little red umbrella. It was a rainy day. Mia had a little red umbrella. She loved her umbrella very much. Plip, plop, went the rain. Tap, tap, went the drops on Mia's umbrella. On her way to school, Mia saw a puppy. The puppy was wet. "Oh no, you have no umbrella," said Mia. Mia opened her little red umbrella wide. "Come, puppy, we can share." The puppy wagged his tail. Together, they walked to school. Plip, plop, tap, tap, went the rain. When they reached school, Mia was happy. Her umbrella had kept them both dry. Moral: sharing makes rainy days bright.
This is my school. This is my school. Oh, there is our school bus. School bus. School bus. We learn a lot from our teacher. 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 This is our classroom. We study together here. There are a blackboard, chalks, desks, chairs, and a bulletin board. Classroom.
What I see in my school and classroom.
37. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Write the numbers. 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Write the numbers.
'Step 1. Take an A4 size paper and fold it in half and again fold it in half. Step 2. Now fold in corners and then fold up the edges on both sides towards triangles. Step 3. Pull the sides out, flatten and fold the front and back layers up. Step 4. Pull the sides apart and flatten. Pull top flaps outwards. Step 5. Squish the bottom and pull the sides up and boa.
39. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Write the numbers.
'This is our national flower, lotus. This is our national fruit, mango.
Trace and color the national fruit.
Plants, the farmer plants the seed. The farmer plants the seed. He ho, the cherry ho. The farmer plants the seed. The rain begins to fall. The sun begins to shine. The plant begins to grow. And the flowers smiles at me.
For you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Write the numbers.
This is our national animal. This is our national bird.
Match the national symbols.